Yo! So, a little introduction. This is my new YouTube channel, but I had an old one, but it was very machining specific. I'm a machinist by day, and yeah, I don't know what I am in my spare time, but I am a lot of things. Among being a dad. So this is my shed, as you can see. Having ADHD involves a lot of hobbies. I am I make music. I tinker with computers. I love machining. I watch the stars. I drag race. I love everything internal combustion. I sim race. And also I love programming and everything like computer related. I just got this rig built. I am mostly racing VR. I started on the 49 ultra wide and switched to VR with my son. And I tried it yesterday again, playing on the 49 inch, but I didn't like it. So I'll stick with VR. I really love that. That's so much fun. So yeah, I'll be doing all sorts of weird content on this channel, I guess. Like videos about the million hobbies I have when you have ADHD. So I also fly some drones and stuff, and I love the birds. I have a lot of stuff doing. I might do more in-depth video because I have really been struggling the last few. I think the last few years. I had a machine shop and. That didn't go. It went all right, but I couldn't. I mean, I was working myself to death and missed out on my beautiful children. I closed it down and got a job in one of my clients, big machine shop. I still love it. So, but that's a long story. I would really like to share my experience with being late diagnosed ADHD and the struggles you can have, and I had throughout my life. So yeah, but at least my arms is getting tired. At least I am way better now. But it's been last year was very tough to say the least. So yeah. Not fun. So yeah, man. If any one of you want me to make a little bit video of my experience with dealing with the ADHD and medication and stuff like that, and a lot of ADHD people struggle with addiction and stuff like that, and I've been in that boat as well, so I'll be openly about everything. So I think that this channel will be about ADHD and all the crazy projects and trying to look at it positive, even though it's not easy every time. But luckily I got help, and I have a very very badass wife. I owe her everything, and I have the most beautiful children. So I'm very happy I closed my company down. I am so much enjoying being together with my children now. So yeah, but yeah, that's it. Just a little video. I want to see if I can get this channel building, because I don't really do the machining content anymore. But I like doing videos and stuff like that. So I really enjoy that, even though I never have any significant followers. All right, cheers, bye.